Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: is the application for your earbuds EARFUN Air 2 available for your Android device? So I already installed the application what EARFUN offer for the headphones. It calls EARFUN Audio, and right here in the application we can check supported devices for the app. You need to click at the plus. I already set up this application, so right here at the bottom we have manual settings, and we need to find our earbuds. So our model is Air 2 NC, and right here at the right top I see these earbuds. So my short answer is yes, the application available for your Android device. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!